standing on the promises of Christ my King. Through eternal ages let his praises ring. Glory in the highest I will shout and sing, standing on the promises of God. Standing, standing, standing on the promises of God.
Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Tuesday, 5th of March 2024, and our topic for today na God Master Plan. Our memory verse dey for Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, and e talk say, because I know wetin I plan for una, my plan na to make una prosper, no be to give una wahala, and na to give una the kind future wey una dey hope to get. Our Bible reading dey Genesis chapter 37 verse 23 to 28, and Genesis chapter 50 verse 19 to 20. Genesis 37 23 to 38 talk say, when Joseph reach where him brothers dey, they comot him fine cloth for him body, the one wey him papa make for am. They carry Joseph come throw am put for one deep gutter. The gutter dey empty, water no dey inside. When they sit down make they start to chop, they come see some caravan wey dey carry Ishmael people dey come from Gilead. Their camel carry spice, balm and myrrh dey go Egypt. Then Judah come tell him brothers, wetin we go gain if we kill our own brother? We come cover him blood? Make we sell am give dis Ishmael people, or make we no kill am o, because e still be our own brother, our own flesh and blood. Him brothers come gree with wetin he talk. So when Midian traders dey pass, Joseph brother come carry am comot for the gutter. They come sell am give Ishmael people for 20 silver. Then they carry Joseph go Egypt. Genesis chapter 50 verse 19 to 20 talk say, but Joseph answered them, make una no fear, na God know wetin he wan do. Even though una mind na to kill me, but God let am be like that, make better things for happen, so that many people go dey safe as una dey see am today so. Now the message. Our God na ogbonge master planner. Him dey always dey plenty step for front for all him plans. For our Bible reading today, Joseph brothers be plan to do wicked things to am, but dem no know say God don already dey front for this matter, to take use their wicked plan as way for Joseph to take fulfill him destiny. This kind one na ogbonge plan o. We see another example for the book of Esther, where God don already make Esther be queen before Mordecai start to dey plan evil things against the Israel people. Many times, if we think say some kind things dey happen for no reason, we no know say God dey arrange one of him plan dey go. For 1 Samuel chapter 17, Bible tell us about one big giant wey dey terrorize the army of one nation for battleground for 40 days. For that country, nobody know the person wey dey terrorize them, but one man send the pikin make he carry food go meet him elder brothers wey dey for battleground. That pikin na David. Na him be the man wey God don already anoint to be the next Oba of Israel. Before he go visit his brothers, God don already prepare am, and he don train am to kill giants, because he send lion and bear for am make him use them do training. If you read that tori, you go hear where David dey tell the Oba about the kind training wey he don do for forest. Na the training go make am fit face this kind giants, so him go fit kill am. For Acts chapter 16 verse 9 to 40, Bible tell us about another clever plan of Baba God. God wan save one man soul and him family, but because of the work wey the man dey do, the man no fit get chance to take on any crusade. As na jailer e be, e no fit just leave prison where e dey work because e need to watch those prisoners dem. So God need person wey go fit go the prison go preach give this man. For that tori we go see how God take plan am. For dream, one person tell Paul say, come Macedonia, come help us. Paul come go Macedonia as im see am for dream. Im come bind one demon comot from one girl body, and so dem come put her for prison because say one family need to dey safe. You need to trust God o, and you must obey any instruction when e give you. If e tell you make you go one direction, you need to obey am, so you go fit be container wey you fit use to bring im plans to reality o. Our prayer point today na, Baba God, abeg show me your plan. Abeg help me make I fit follow your plan well well o. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Standing on the promises of Christ my Savior. Standing. I'm standing on the promises of God.